Assalamu alaikum. This is Nosar from Effective Arabic. Today we are gonna learn about possessive pronouns in Moroccan Arabic. Let's go! We use possessive pronouns to show that something belongs to us or something is owned by us or by somebody else. Let's see an example. We're gonna take the expression my house. In Darija, it is dar dieli, or you can also say dari. So the word dieli is a possessive pronoun in Moroccan Arabic. Also, the letter I in the word dar is considered to be a possessive pronoun as well. So as you can see, Darija has two different possessive pronouns. Let's start with the first type. Dar dieli, dar dielek, dar dielo, dar dielha, dar dielna, dar dielkum, and finally dar dielhum. So we have dieli, dielek, dielo, dielha, dielna, dielkum, dielhum. And you can apply the same rule to all the Moroccan Arabic words that you know. Let's take another example, the word ktab, which means a book. If you want to say my book in Darija, you would say كتاب ديالي. And if you want to say her book, you would say كتاب ديالها. And now I'm gonna give you a quick exercise. We have the word bit, which means a room. I want you to guess, how can you say your room in Darija? It is bit ديالك. Awesome! I really want to give you another exercise. So a car in Darija is طوموبيل, طوموبيل. So how can you say his car? طوموبيل ديالو. Very good. Now let's see the second type of possessive pronouns, which is a little bit tricky. They are just some letters, which we call the endings, that you need to add at the end of the word. We will get back to the word dar, which means a house. So we say dari, darak, daro, darha, darna, darkom, and finally darhom. You can apply the same rule to all the words that are masculine. But for the words that end up with letter A at the end, or generally all the feminine words, you have to do the following. You have to replace the letter A with letter T and then apply the same endings. Let's see an example of a feminine word in Darija. We have the word kamija. It is feminine because it ends with letter A at the end. Let's add the possessive pronouns to the word kamija. First, we need to remove letter A and replace it with letter T. And then you can apply the endings. So you would say kamijti, kamijtek, kamijto, kamijtha, kamijtna, kamijtkom, and finally kamijthom. That's it for today's lesson. I hope that you have learned something. If you have any question, please feel free to leave it in the comment section below. Also, feel free to contact me through Instagram. Until I see you again, goodbye for now. Slama!